Headaches can be quite debilitating, especially if you experience them on a regular basis. And there's 3 primary causes of headaches. Number 1 is migraines. Number 2 is a tension type of headache. And number 3 is a cluster headache. Of course, there are other medical conditions that could cause them as well. If you don't drink enough water or eat enough food or you've exercised really hard, those are just all explanations as well. But when it comes down to headaches, those are usually the most common explanations that doctors will give when patients seek help. Up to 12 to 16% of the population in the United States suffers from migraines, and typical characteristics of migraines include a dull headache that progressively gets worse in the period of minutes to hours, and to the point where it's just throbbing. And these people are usually really sensitive to light and motion and noise, and most people report it being worse on one side of their head or the other. Now, some atypical characteristics of migraines can include teary eyes or runny nose and congestion, which can be associated with allergies. And that was your question. How do you tell the difference between migraines or allergies? Ultimately, in order to tell the difference between the two, it would be best to talk with your doctor, and they can ask you more specific questions about the symptoms that you've had, and then make a sure diagnosis. And based on that, find some sort of treatment plan that will help you feel better, because, as mentioned earlier, headaches can be so debilitating. Typical symptoms of allergies include stuffiness, nasal congestion, runny nose, watery eyes, sometimes a cough because you have increased secretions. And of course, sometimes people do get a headache, so it is hard to tell the difference. If you have had a sinus infection recently too, that can contribute to headaches. So again, talking with your doctor would probably be the best plan. But if you have any other questions for me in the future, please feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.